Hello everyone, welcome today. Yes, today on Monday. It's Monday again. Monday, the last day of the month, January the 31st, 2022. Yes, we have only one regular Sudoku and it's a medium Sudoku. Today it's a windy day. A big storm is coming. So you can hear the noise of the wind. But I have also not so good news, because in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles. Let me show you. No extra puzzles. That means the Saturday newspaper, I've already solved the whole puzzle page, the additional. What I will do is the Friday edition. Yes, let me take the Friday edition. Yes, we have here the Friday edition. After the Sudoku Medium, I will do the Friday edition, January 28th. And we have 3 puzzles left. The letter Sudoku, the Sudoku with 2 stars, and the tectonic with 1 star. Okay, but first, on this windy day, stormy day, yes. Sudoku Medium, number 4055. Yes, before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 star Sudokus, in additional, this will be a 1 star. For 1 star, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We will see. But you cannot always say 27 printed digits. It's easy. Sometimes you have a puzzle with 27 or more, and there are a lot of pairs or hidden numbers or impossible position of the squares. Yes, and then you need a lot of time. All right, so let's get started. All right, let me scan the puzzle. How about let me see 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place left for the 9 should be down. Then how about we have in this big square 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2 in this column, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. Here 2 in the last row, so no 2 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2. Should be down. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the numbers 4 and a 6. We have a 4 and a 6 in the second column, so no 4 and a 6 in these 3 boxes. The 4 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4, it goes there. All right. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are, the 1 is missing 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 1, 7, 8, 1, 7, 8, and look, we have a 7 and 8 in this last row, so no 7 and 8 in this box. The 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. All right. Then 2 missing numbers in the second column for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 6, the 7 and 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes and there. All right. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 1 and a 2 are missing. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes and there. All right. Okay, then. Let me see. 6, 7, 2. Okay. Two missing numbers in this third column. 4 numbers. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8. We have 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 5 goes there. Two missing numbers now in this big square. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a 7 is missing. 1 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 and a 7. Okay. So we have 8 in the first row. 8 in the second row. So in the third row, only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. Okay. Then. Cannot continue with 8. How about 4? Here. In this column, 5 missing numbers. In this column, one of the missing numbers is a 5. Sorry, it's a 4. We have a 5 here. It's a 4, yes. Well, this box cannot be a 4. We have a 4 over there. Here 4, no 4 over there. Here 4, no over there. And therefore no over here. No 4 in this box. So 1 box left for the 4 in this column should be there. Okay. Then how about the number? Let me see. 4. Yeah. Thinking. 7. 5. Interesting. 3. 2 missing numbers in the last row. 4 numbers. 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Alright. Then. Let me think. 3. Okay. We have a pair. 2 and a 5 in this last row. 2 and a 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places left for the 2 and a 5 goes in those 3 boxes. But we have also a 2 and a 5 in this column, so no 2 and a 5 in this box. The 2 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Okay. So 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. And the 7 is missing. 1, 6, 7, 1, 6, 7, 1, 6, 7. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6. Should be there. So now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 7. Now we have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So this box cannot be a 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. This box should be an 8. 2 missing numbers in this row. For the numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and the 9. 3 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8. 1 and 8. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. So we have 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 8. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 5. But how about these 2 missing numbers in this column? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. And this box should be a 1. Alright. 2 numbers left in this column. For the numbers, 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 7. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 7. How about the 1? 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 1. Then. How about these 2 missing numbers in this row? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. Okay. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 6. Okay, 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright, 1 box left in the middle column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. Okay. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the last column for the numbers 2 and 5. 2, and the 5. Well, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 2. 1 box left in this row for number 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Final 2 numbers of this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And a 5. It goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Well, definitely 1 star. Could be faster, but well, I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Yes. It's a windy day today, stormy day. Yes, the big storm is coming, and I like this. If you like this too, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And yeah, before I go, let me mark those numbers. I need data. Maybe I can see a pattern, or who knows. But I'm collecting all those numbers. The center box of the big square, 291. 291. I've collecting this more than a week. 425, 425, and 864. 864. So here we have 2 pairs. I see the 4 and the 2. Okay. All right. So if I have a tip, if I know the secret, I don't know if there's a secret. Maybe I'm collecting those data and no use of them. But I will inform you if I have a tip, and I will inform you later. Alright, so now we have 3 puzzles left in the additional of the Friday edition. So those I will make in a minute. So thank you for watching, and I will see you later. Yes, later. Bye bye for now.